Yes, I know there are T-slot cleaners to buy for so little money that it's not worth building them by yourself. But they are all too big for my little mill. So again, we have to tinker it by ourselves. We've already drawn a little sketch. This is the part for the T-slot. And at the end we'll make a round that will fit in the end parts of the milling table. I've seen this at John's workshop. You will find his website in the description below. Well, now we need to cut it to a suitable handy length. Think about this. I think this size should fit. About here. Well, nearly at the right angle. That's enough. That's enough. Well, now we marked it a little bit, and now we will saw and file it, and well, let's see how we do it. Now we just drill a few holes and cut it out. And clean it up with a file. That's gonna be. So now we drilled it. We just need a cut with the saw. Then we pull it out with a plier and a few strokes with a file. And that's it. Well, now the side with the T-slot reamer is finished. Now we're gonna file the radius. We cut it off with the saw here, and with a few file strokes we have the radius, and then that should work. Well, we need a radius with about 8 millimeter. That's not that much. I think that we'll have that soon. Well, finished. Okay, it's not a beauty queen, but it needs to work and not to look good. Well, I bowed this in a little angle so that I can reach better into the groove here. So now let's test it, if it works. Well, it works nearly perfect. Just for scraping out the corner here, it could be a little bit thinner than 2 millimeter, but well, it's just a prototype and it works okay. Wonderful. Another one.